Shrimp oil recipe. Turn shrimp heads and shells into a flavorful oil that can be used for stir-frying or simply added to noodle dishes. In a preheated pan, roast shrimp heads and shells. These have been washed and drained. Over medium heat, roast until they become dry and fragrant. Once the color have turned to orange, you can press down the heads to extract more flavor from them. Turn down the heat. I'm using the oil for my stir-fried rice noodles. So I'm adding a teaspoon of annatto powder for a more vivid red color. I'm adding about 1/4 cup of cooking oil. You can add more if you like. Turn the heat back to medium. Press down to better infuse the oil with the shrimp flavor. The oil has turned reddish and has been infused with that wonderful cooked shrimp flavor and aroma. The oil is ready. Discard shrimp heads and shells. Transfer oil to a clean bowl or store in a glass jar for later use. Thanks for watching.